Hey guys, this is Jackie with another Asian recipe that you can make at home. This is Potsticker soup. Let's go. You're gonna need mirepoix, celery, carrots, onion. Sauté it with some garlic powder. When it's fragrant, add your stock, chicken broth, bone broth, vegetable broth, your choice. Add sliced tomatoes. They could be chunky because they're gonna wilt down. Add your potstickers, fresh or frozen, or gyoza. It's also called gyoza. Then, when everything is floating to the surface, it's ready. So go ahead and plate. Add a lot of gyoza. It's your choice. You could garnish. I like scallions. I like to add some extra chilies. You could do chili oil. You could do cilantro. Any type of garnishes of your choice. This is so cozy, so easy in 15 minutes. Please follow and subscribe for more easy Asian recipes. Thanks, guys.